Welcome to my crochet nook. I'm Linda and I have been tag your it, by Judy at Which Piece Craft. So thank you, Judy, for tagging me. This started with Crystal over at Bag a Day, and I've got 10 questions that I need to answer. So the first one is, what's your favourite colour of yarn? Well, I like all colours, but I think my favourite is purple, and I love teal as well. So I would say purple. What's your favourite weight of yarn? Now, if you know me, I love 4-ply, which is, I think, 2 fingering weight. Or a lace weight, and I do like double knit too. What's your favourite style of yarn? Favourite style of yarn? I like an acrylic cotton blend. To be honest, I haven't got a favourite style. I kind of quite like them all. There's nothing that I haven't had to go at so far. I'm sure there are other stuff, other cotton, other styles out there, but I would say everything really. I've not found something that I don't like working with. Your favourite fibre of yarn? Well, it has to be cotton. I love cotton. Winter or summer, I love working with cotton. I just think it's really nice, and I think I like acrylic too, and I've finally found a wool that I can use that doesn't affect my hands, and that is merino. But my favourite is cotton, hands down, every time. What's your favourite brand that you can get easily within your country? Right, favourite brand within my country is, I like King Cole, Stylecraft. My favourite is Studio Yarns by Deramores. That is my favourite. Your favourite brand that you can't that isn't easy for in my country? Well, that would be from Hobium, and it's called Yarn Art. I love their cotton. It's absolutely fabulous. They do a really nice yarn, acrylic cotton blend that is beautiful. So I would say, yeah, Hobium Yarn Art. Favourite online store and favourite bricks and mortar? Right, my favourite online store is Deramores, hands down. They've got an amazing variety of yarn, from lace right the way through to bulky. They've got mohair, angora, any style, anything that you like, they have, and they are reasonably priced. Now, as far as a favourite bricks and mortar, I haven't got one, because I've only started my crochet journey in November, yarn, and obviously we've been in a pandemic and that. So many years ago, when I did my knitting, Black Sheep here in Warrington, Black Sheep Wools here in Warrington, I used to very often go there when I did knit, but I've always bought my yarn online. Do you keep scrap? Well, obviously yes, I do keep my scrap yarn. I've only got a little bit, not a lot, but it's building up with the amount of projects I've been making. And what I plan to do with it is make dolls' clothes, and that is my plan. And So yeah, so my scraps are going to be used for making dolls' clothes for the moment. I'm not saying that it won't change, but at the moment it is going to be, it's earmarked for dolls' clothes. And baby beanies for the Fuskaboo, or NICU, the baby's neonatal unit here in Warrington Hospital, where I've already donated. What's your favourite thing to crochet or knit? Oh my gosh. I would say anything at the moment. I enjoy making blankets, hats, scarves, ponchos. I haven't found anything that I don't like making at the moment. Amigurumis is up there. I love making amigurumis. So I really enjoy making everything at the moment. There's not one thing yet that I've found that I think, I don't really enjoy this, but I'm enjoying the experience. Since I've only, you know, crochet, well, I'm not a beginner crochet, but I'm new to yarn crocheting. So at the moment I've not found anything. I'm just enjoying my my craft. If you could crochet or knit one last thing for the rest of your life, what would it be and what yarn would you use? Oh my gosh. The yarn would be cotton, all the way cotton. It would be cotton. And I suppose, wow, that's a difficult one for me. What would I crochet if I had one last thing? I suppose it would be a cardigan, a nice long drapey evening wear kind of cardigan. I think that's what I would like to do. So that's the answers to my 10 questions. I want to thank Judy ever so much for tagging me in, and now I'm going to tag Dana from Creatively Created Crochet, Ursula from Oh My Granny Square, Kim from Kim's Crochet and Knits, Veronica, or My Super V, Steals the Show Crochet and Chef, Brenda, the newbie crocheter, and last but not least, Julie, Whippy Chick Crochet. I do hope, ladies, that you do participate. I'd be really interesting to see what your answers are, and it's been really interesting to see what everybody else's answers have been to the questions. So I want to say thank you to Bag a Day for starting this off. I believe she did start this off, so thank you, Crystal, and thank you everybody else for visiting to subscribing. Don't forget the thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll see you all again real soon. Thank you. Bye bye for now.